Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can download and log in to the Command mobile app. And this is to show the update of them requiring that MFA, or otherwise known as the verification code, upon logging in, just like it does when you have to log in through a desktop and it sends the code to your recovery email. So we'll be demonstrating that today and how to navigate it here on your mobile device. Now, there are two mobile apps for KW. The first is the Command mobile app. That's the one we're focused on in this video. It's the one that sees you as an agent and allows you to operate in your business. You can see it at the top of my screen. It's the red square with a white KW. That's the one we're focused on tonight. If you're looking for consumer mobile app, you would be looking for the white square with the red KW, and we do have a different tip video for that, so definitely check it out. Now, let's first download the app onto our device. You can go to the App Store, like you can see here in the top left-hand corner, if you're on an Apple product like an iPhone. If you are on an Android, you would want to look for the Play Store, Google Play Store. So we're going to go ahead and tap on the App Store to open it and use our search bar down at the bottom. Tap it to put your cursor there, and you can simply search KW and hit the magnifying glass in the bottom right-hand corner. Scroll down just a little bit under the ad, and you can see again two KW mobile apps. The one we're looking for is the red square with the white KW that's called KW Command. This is the one that you actually access as an agent. So we'll go ahead and tap that to expand it on the screen. And you will see one of three options here at the top. See our blue button that says open? That means the app is already downloaded on our device and we can simply open it from here. Another option that you may see is a blue cloud with a downward arrow, and that's just indicating that the app is on your cloud and that you can download it to your device. And third, you could see a Get button. It's a GET on a blue button, and that means to download the app for the first time on your device. Either way, go ahead and tap the blue button that you see on your screen to get the app onto your device or opened. So from here, this is what happens when you tap on the red square white KW on your device and you actually open the app on your device. And go ahead and click on sign in at the bottom. Now from here, it will bring you to an authentication page and ask you to fill in your Command username and password. Be sure to not include any extra spaces before or after your username or your password, as that will cause your login to fail. Go ahead and fill in your username and password. The next step is it will bring you here asking you for your verification code. The verification code will go to your recovery email that you have on file. So go ahead and check that recovery email and enter the code that was just sent to you. And click continue. You can ignore the error on that screen. It's because we have a demo account. And if this is your first time logging in a long time, you may see the terms of service here, and you can just scroll through these, get to the very bottom, choose that you've read and acknowledged, and click accept. You may be prompted with things like this as well, asking if you want to receive notifications on your mobile device. Always recommend to allow this, because this is a way that you can get quick notifications of things like new leads in your Command. So go ahead and choose whichever choice that you would like. And again, the errors that you saw after that are just on our account. But this should bring you right here to your dashboard for your Command mobile. We definitely recommend checking out our other YouTube videos and our live video classes that we have hosted that will teach you all about your Command mobile app and everything this can do for you and your business on the go. If you have any questions about this or any of your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.